just going for it? There's no way. Yep, he is just going for it. Damn. There's the way I can do it. I was gonna die for a second. Eu estou a chegar ao Parque Eduardo VII, no Parque Eduardo VII ali. Okay, let's go. There he goes again. Oh, hold the car, chat. He literally, okay, I'm gonna be Chad like him. Hi somebody, good to see you. How are you doing? Also guys, today is the last day. We have a sub goal of 20 subs to compensate all the days I won't be here. If you guys wanna help, feel free to do it. Just wanted to say that I will go back to 10 daily subs later. Next time, next day, next stream.